How to reduce data usage in YouTube. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up YouTube, and once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner, then click on settings, and here you need to click on data saving, where you will be able to manage your data consumption on YouTube. As you can see, the first option, it says data saving mode, and YouTube tells you that this will automatically adjust settings to save mobile data. So click on the toggle next to it to turn it on. And as you can see, once you turn on the data saving mode, all of the default settings will be turned on, such as the video quality reduce, the download quality reduce, etc. And this is the maximum that you can get. If you turn them all on, it will give you the maximum effect that will allow you to save and use the minimum amount of data on YouTube. So leave them all on. So that was it for this video. That's how you can use less data on YouTube. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.